In this video, we are going to learn how to sign up your account in DeepSeek. For that, first you have to open your Google Chrome or any other browser on your device. Here I'm using Google Chrome. Now after that, click on the search bar and type in DeepSeek. Now you will be proceeded into this website, and here you can see two different options. If you want to download the DeepSeek app, you can click on this option which is on the right side, and to sign up to your account, click on Start Now. Now you will see this login page where you have to type in your email address and password. To sign up to your account, here you can see this sign up option. Click on it. Now type in your email address here. Now type in your password. Now retype your password on this confirm password field. After that, you have to click on this send code option here. From where you will get a notification of the code on your email ID which you have provided on this field. So click on send code and type in the code that you have received on your email ID here on this field. Now after that, you have to click on this small checkbox here to confirm that you have read and consent and agree to all the terms of use and policy of DeepSeek's website. Now the final step is to click on this sign up button here, and following this simple and easy step, you have successfully created a new account in DeepSeek. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.